we've got a new EP coming out in just under 4 weeks, and we're doing an EP launch for it at V-Bar on the 27th of October, so come join us. Actually, we've got the best fucking support act in the world. Like, we've got a band called Gaffer Tate Sandy, who headlined BBC Introducing at Glastonbury this year, and we've got a band called Rad Pit, who are the heaviest band at Latitude. I can't believe they're opening for us. They're both far more successful and better than us, but they're amazing and it's free and you should come down, man. That's on the 27th of October. These songs from the new EP is called Stitch. It goes like this. These holes in the jeans are getting too big. You can see my skin design and I'm tired, ripping myself to pieces on the weekend. Stitch by stitch by stitch. These minds, this mind to mind, temperamental but tonight for so damn wide. And I'm tired, ripping myself to pieces on the weekend. Stitch by stitch by stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me. Stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up. Yeah, whoa. Stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up. These holes in my skin, playing out, been a while since I've been my life. You're ripping myself to pieces on the weekend. Stitch by stitch by these eyes of mine, got lies around and I recognize it. I'm tired, myself to pieces on the weekend. Stitch by stitch by stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up. Stitch by stitch by stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up, stitch me up.